Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Maricel Narciso. I am 37 years old and I'm single. I live in San Pedro Apartado, Alcala, Pangasinan, and I'm ALS graduate. My height is 156.5 centimeter and my weight is 58.10 kilogram. I work as domestic helper here. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 5 years old and 3 years old. I'm reading book with them and playing with them together. And I sing a song, row, row, row your boat, treasures down the stream, up, down, let's a row and sing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merry, life is but a dream. To my future employer, Sir, Madam, if you hire me to be your helper, I will do my best to serve you better and I will treat your family as my own family. I will all follow all regulations and responsibilities that you give to me. Thank you and God bless you.